Howdy students, Mr. Anderson here, and just a short video to show you a little bit about working with our class wiki. We've got our assignment, the categories of technology scavenger hunt, and that's going to be due at the end of the week. I'll also post text instructions here, but basically here are the instructions. Your assignment is to capture 3 images of technology from, well, one from 3 different categories of technology. Okay, there are 7 categories. We talked about them in class. I just want you to come up with 3 different images from different categories. So just 3 total images, but they're from different categories. I probably said that 5 times, but just trying to clarify what I want you to do. And you're going to put those images on our class wiki. So if you come into Blackboard, whether you're 7th or 8th grade, doesn't matter. You've got the wiki over here on the left-hand side. When you come into the wiki, the very first thing, introductory activities. This is where you're going to find where you go to complete this assignment. So when you come in here, you're going to see categories of technology, image scavenger hunt. Okay? Now, with these images, I want them to be images that you capture. Okay? Whether that be with just a regular camera and you're scanning the images so that you have a digital copy you can work with, whether you have a digital camera that you're taking the pictures from and uploading them onto your computer, or whether it's your cell phone camera. You're taking the picture and emailing it to yourself or your parents or however you need to do it so that you can use it. But we are not copying and pasting images off the internet. And I've got a pretty good eye for what is copied off the internet and what's not. Let's not go that route. I want to see that you can recognize and find at your home, in your neighborhood, around the school, pieces of technology and can categorize them. Okay? So when you come in here, go ahead and click on this link, and this will bring you into the page where we're actually going to put our images. Okay? To work with the wiki, over here on the right-hand side, you can edit. Okay, so right now, if I click around in here, these aren't links or anything. This is just text. But I can edit what's here by clicking on the little edit link there. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I am going to, I want to add something to the information and communication technology category here. So I'm just going to add a space. So right now I'm editing it kind of like it's a Word document or something like that. And okay, so I come down here. Right here's the link for inserting an image. Now when you get an image on your computer, you save it in a certain place. And you just need to be able to find where you have your image. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows or on a Mac or using Linux. When you put images on your computer, you put those in certain places. Okay? Just make sure that you can figure out where it is you're saving them to. And usually it gives you the option, it asks you where you want to save them. Put it in a place you can find it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and browse here for an image that I saved. Of a smartboard. Here we go. And upload and insert. And then I click on save. And there we have it, folks. A big picture of a smartboard. Now, we don't want pictures to be getting too big, so another thing we can do is we can do some resizing of them. If I click on that, you can see we've got the little dots here around the edges. I'm going to click on Shift before I drag this. That way it will resize it proportionally. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. That way we don't have huge images. And I'm going to urge you to do the same. Resize your images. You have to be in edit mode to resize them. That way, they don't take up too much room. But so to add to this, it doesn't matter which category you pick from. And then you just come in here and press return and add it at the next spot. Okay? Good luck. See you in class.